Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Annabelle Pamitan Kalagi, your financial educator. So ngayon sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin why having a big why is often more powerful than focusing on the how when it comes to achieving your goals, including financial goals. So, pag-uusapan nga natin, no, na by the end of this video, maunawaan nyo why having a big why is more important than how when it comes of achieving your goals or ano man yung goals na meron kayo, especially financial goals. So we're gonna talk some of the reasons why you need to find your big why, whatever goals you're trying to reach in your life. First, having a big why gives you motivation. When you have a big why, that is meaningful and inspiring to you. It can provide the motivation you need to take action and make progress towards your goals. Focusing on how can sometimes feel overwhelming or discouraging, but a big why can help you stay motivated and focused. So, yun po yung kailangan, yun yung kahalagahan ng having a big why. It will help you stay motivated and focus in doing the action needed in order to reach your goals in life or financial goals in life. Second reason why you need to know your big why is the clarity. Having a big why can provide clarity and direction for your financial goals. When you know why you want to achieve a certain goal, it can help you make decisions about how to allocate your income or whatever resources you have or how to prioritize your action. Ano ba yung action na dapat mong gawin in order to reach your financial goals. So, your big why will give you clarity and right direction on the right action and the right step you need to do. How much you need to allocate for the income you have, what action you need to do, yun po yung ibibigay ng why, yung big why mo. Third, resilience. When you encounter obstacles or setbacks on the path to achieving your goals, a big why can help you stay resilient and persevere through challenges. Focusing on the how can sometimes lead to a narrow focus on specific tactics or strategies. But a big why can help you stay committed to your overall visions and purpose. Na kahit anumang pagsubok na dumating sa buhay mo, you stay committed. Kailangan mong patuloy na gawin yung dapat mong gawin in order to achieve your financial goals. Para may magbabago sa anuman yung financial situation na meron ka. You're still committed saving your money, no matter how much your income is, patuloy ka pa rin magtatabi ng certain amount of or certain percentage of your income na kung saan wala mang support, no, yung family mo or sino man yung kaibigan mo, nandun pa rin yung commitment mo to still stay focused on achieving your goals, do what you know is right. Last is inspiration. A big why can inspire you to think creatively and come up with innovative solutions to achieve your goals. When you are focused on the how, it can be easy to get stuck in a rut or feel limited by conventional thinking. A big why can help you tap into your creativity and find new ways to achieve your goals, na hindi ka magpapaapekto sa anumang negative na na sinasabi sa 'di ba? Kung ano man yung nandun yung focus mo, Nandun yung maghanap ka ng paraan, paano mo ba masolusyunan yung mga balakid para makamit mo yung goals or financial goals mo sa buhay. Kasi minsan, kung sino pa yung kapamilya natin, sila pa yung walang suporta sa atin. So, yung big why mo ang magbibigay sa iyo ng lakas to keep moving, to keep doing what you know is right that can help you and can benefit you in the long run. I know guys na both the why and the how are important when it comes to achieving your financial goals. But having a big why can be more powerful motivator that provides clarity, resilience, and inspiration. I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video ngayon, sa video natin ngayon, and it helps you achieve more whatever goals you want to achieve in your life. If you see this video informative and helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and advice. And click the notification bell para ma-notify ka kung meron akong bagong video na ina-upload. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!